Good evening. My name is Akshay, and today I'm going to take you through the question and answer of the best Christmas present. Uh, Starting with the very first comprehension check, question number one. What did the author find in a junk shop? The author found a roll top desk made of oak in the junk shop. Second question is, what did he find in a secret drawer? Who do you think had put it in there? The answer to this question is the author found a small black tin box. Sellotaped to the top of it was a piece of lined note paper. It was Mrs. Macpherson, Connie, who had put it in there. Okay. The spelling for this Macpherson is I'm sorry for this. Macpherson. Macpherson. Okay. Now the second comprehension check, you have the first question. Who had written the letter to whom and when? It was Jim Macpherson who had written this letter to his wife, Mrs. Connie Macpherson, on December 26, 1914. So these are the three questions, these two comprehension check. Most of you students have written these questions and answers correctly, but there are pretty minor spelling mistakes, so I would request all of you to be very particular and careful while writing your answers. Now the next question is, why was the letter written? What was the wonderful thing that had happened? Answer to this is, the letter was written by Jim Macpherson. He wanted to share the wonderful experience they had on Christmas Day. The British and the German were engaged in a war, but on Christmas both the troops exchanged greetings and food and played football. The soldiers at war were making peace and hoped that the war would come to an end soon. And end soon. Okay. Now next question. What jobs did Hans Wolff and Jim Macpherson have when they were not soldiers? Hans Wolff was from Dusseldorf and played cello in orchestra. Jim Macpherson, on the other hand, and here it is a phrase, so you have to be very particular. Jim Macpherson, comma, on the other hand, was a school teacher from Dorset in the west of England. Next, had Hans Wolff ever been to Dorset? Why did he say he knew it? No, Hans Wolff had never been to Dorset. He had learned all about England from reading book in English and from school. Next question, the fifth one from the comprehension check. Do you think Jim Macpherson came back from the war? How do you think this? No, most likely Jim Macpherson did not come back from war. Sellotape letter said that it was the last letter from Jim Macpherson. There was also a note made by Mrs. Macpherson that the letter had to be buried with her when the time came. Okay, so these are the two reasons why we think. That Jim Macpherson did not come back from the war. So these are few questions which I have worked as on today. What I want you all to do, I want you to work on your vocabulary as well. I have written 5 of them and I want you to make your copy. And first of all, I want to request to all the children of class 8 that whenever you write a question answer, please write it in rough copy first with the pencil. So whenever we study a chapter, I'll be providing you the question and answer. Now there is more likely that if anybody writes a very decent answer, very good answer, then I'll be posting that particular answer or I'll be quoting that particular answer to all you children. मैं इसको हिंदी में बताता हूँ. मैंने जो क्लास 8 के क्वेश्चन आंसर को बनाया है, ये आपको भी बनाना है, लेकिन इसको पेंसिल से बनाइएगा ताकि अगर आप में आपके क्वेश्चन आंसर में कहीं गलती हो तो उसको सुधारा जा सके, और उसको रफ़ कॉपी में अटैम्प्ट कीजिएगा. और जब आप उसका फ़ोटो खींच के आप ऑनलाइन देते हैं तो जिस किसी का भी कोई पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन बहुत अच्छा लिखा होगा उसको मैं दोबारा कोट करूँगा अपने वीडियो में. क्वेश्चन का आंसर मैं बताऊँगा, हर क्वेश्चन हर चैप्टर का आंसर्स मैं बताऊँगा. नाउ आई वांट टू add one more thing. In my previous video I have given you the summary of the chapter, but there is one student who has complained that the chapter or the language is too tough for him or her to understand. So tomorrow in the morning I'll be completing that. I'll summarize it in Hindi, okay, and I'll be doing the rest of the questions. I'll go very slow for the very first chapter. From there on I'll be doing all the chapters likewise and frequently in a good pace. So stick to the chapters, stick to your studies, and I'm turning the page to the vocabulary. I've written few vocabulary here. I want you to write down the way it is written. So whenever you write a vocabulary, you need to write the meaning in English first and then its Hindi meaning. जैसे roll top desk लिखा हुआ आपका, तो इट्स अ काइंड ऑफ डेस्क विथ फ्लेक्सिबल कवर. इसके ऊपर मेज के ऊपर एक तरह का ऊपर तख्त होता है जिससे मेज को ढका जाए. इस तरह के किसी भी मेज को हम लोग रोल टॉप कहते हैं. रिवील्ड का मतलब होता है टू शो, डिस्प्ले, डिस्क्लोज, टेल, दिखाना या बताना को रिवील कहते हैं. इंटरेस्टेड का मतलब होता है अटेंटिव, फोकस्ड, कंसर्न्ड यानी रुचि रखने वाला. रेस्क्यूड का मतलब होता है सेव, फ्री, रिडीम यानी बचाना, किसी की रक्षा करना. आई वॉन्ट ऑल ऑफ यू टू राइट डाउन द वोकेबलरी ऑफ ऑल द चैप्टर फ्रॉम द टेक्स्ट एंड देन we'll move on to the next comprehension, means the long answers, tomorrow. Thank you. Have a wonderful evening.